Hey guys, do you need to change your Bose speaker into Italian? Well, this is how you do it. All you have to do is go ahead and do a hard reset. And so what that is just by holding down the power button. Hold it down. It's going to say the battery percentage.
100% de batería.
And once you keep holding it down, this blue light will go out. So once the blue light goes out, then we're going to go ahead, push the power button down again, keep holding it. Oh,
English.
actually, all you have to do is
Select
hold it a little
English.
bit.
Press and hold
So
the multi
English
function
will always be
button.
the default. And what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and
Select
push
English. Press
the
and
plus
hold.
button,
Español.
then
Para
Spanish,
Français.
French,
Sélectionnez-le. Deutsch.
and then
中文.
keep going,
Nihongo.
keep going,
Hanguga.
keep going.
Italiano.
Now
Per
we're in
selezionare
Italian.
italiano,
This is the
tenete
language I
premuto
want.
il pulsante multifunzione.
To confirm, we're just going to hold down the multifunction button.
Pronto per la
And there we
connessione.
go. Now we have Italian. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Once again, you just have to do the hard reset. You can select your language. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Selezionare il diffusore Bose dall'elenco Bluetooth del dispositivo mobile in uso.